put the screen back in. The rain's coming in. So. Yeah. Let's start coming in, boys. Damn. Wowzy. That came in quick. Yeah, I'm soaked now. I had to put that screen back in. I was trying to get you guys a clear view with the time lapse. It's already moved in. I don't know if I'm gonna post all of it. It just depends on how serious this storm gets. It's a better view. Sorry, the window's a little fogged up because of the AC. So that's that's on the outside for some reason. It's very blurry. I don't see an opportunity to really capture any lightning on this, so I don't know if I'm gonna post this. I'm probably just gonna post the time lapse. Alright, but that's what it turned into, guys. Okay, there's a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder during the whole process, even during the time lapse. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to capture that for you guys. Later.